So I've done two tracings here. Now if I delete both the tracings, let's see if I get my quantities back by doing undo and redo. So if I do undo, I have one tracing back. If I click undo once more, I have the second tracing back also. If I do redo, this will get deleted. Similarly, this is also deleted. So this is how undo redo works. And suppose while tracing, now if you want to do you want to undo anything, so I'll just show how that works. I'll take area tracing and I'll click this. Now suppose I have to go one step back, maybe I go wrong here and I have to go one step back. So at the time of tracing, if I click on backspace, I go back. So if I again click backspace, I'll go one step back. So I can just rectify whatever my mistake is and I can continue working. So backspace for undo while tracing, and other than that you can use these two functions if the tracing is already completed and by mistake maybe you've deleted it, you want it back, then you can work out using these two functions.